Your name, please.
Joey Tribbiani.
And did you stay up all night in preparation for your sleep study? Sir?
Yes, he did.
We'll call you in a few minutes.
Oh. Check out that girl. She is really hot.
Yeah, she is. Wow. How you doing?
What? You're coming on to the entire room. I'm Chandler.
Marjorie.
Do you mind if I sit?
No, please.
So why don't you give me your number?
Oh, my God. What is that?
Oh, they gave it to me at the sleep clinic, and it's gonna help me not to snore.
Because I don't think you have to wear it unless you are.
I know I don't have to. Tastes good.
Plus, you look cool.